Morning everyone. Today I will teach you on lesson 1 that is talking about greeting. So let's see together with me. មេរៀនទី1ការស្វាគមន៍ The word មេរៀន mean lesson ទី1 mean 1មេរៀនទី1 mean lesson 1 On this unit you will learn how to greet somebody when you meet them at the first time. So in Khmer we can say ការស្វាគមន៍ ស្វាគមន៍ mean greet and greeting mean ការស្វាគមន៍ greeting ការស្វាគមន៍ ing mean ការ ស្វាគមន៍ mean greet. It is a noun gerund. In this lesson we will learn a few ways of how to greet somebody. So the first way is about the polite way of greeting. If you want to greet somebody politely, you should use the phrase below. You can say ជំរាបសួរ ជំរាបសួរ That means in English, how do you do? And then he or she will reply ជំរាបសួរ That means how do you do? Again ជំរាបសួរ ជំរាបសួរ Another way, it is a general way. It is not so polite and it is not rude as well. So you can use this word whenever you meet whoever. You can say សួស្តី and then he or she will reply សួស្តី That means in English hello, and he say hello. The last way of greeting, it is a greeting based on the time. If you meet someone in the morning, in English you say good morning, and in Khmer you say អរុណសួស្តី អរុណសួស្តី That means good morning. And one more, when you meet in the afternoon, you say ទិវាសួស្តី ទិវាសួស្តី That means good afternoon. And the last one, សាយ័ន្តសួស្តី សាយ័ន្តសួស្តី That means good evening. Okay, so please read again to listen to the pronunciation clearly. មេរៀនទី1ការស្វាគមន៍ Live way ជំរាបសួរ ជំរាបសួរ General way សួស្តី សួស្តី and based on the time អរុណសួស្តី អរុណសួស្តី ទិវាសួស្តី សាយ័ន្តសួស្តី Okay, great. So let's finish this lesson and we will continue for the next lesson. Goodbye. See you next time.